introduced to Michael and Biterite by my colleague Rishi. Been very, very happy. Absolutely sort of fantastic relationship with the whole of the team. Find that it's an honest working relationship. Work's been absolutely fantastic, especially the castable porcelains. What can I say? Price is absolutely fair as well, and the work turnaround is spot on. Feedback, no problems. Ask to speak to Michael. Michael is on the phone straight away.
Well, we've been using Biterite now for about 3 years. We found them very professional, and they're able to constantly produce a high level of work for us. Their delivery times are very prompt, and the team at Biterite, Michael and his team, work very well and closely with us. We're able to translate all the information we need for our patients quite concisely over the telephone, and the work that is produced is of very good quality. We've been using Emax crowns and onlays now for some time, and the patients very much appreciate the high quality aesthetics that come back, both with the Emax work and implant work.
Quality is what it means. When you send work to Biterite and Michael, you get reliability from the beginning to the end, from the fitting of the product to the running around of the lab around the dentist. I feel that I would recommend Mike not only for his work, but his professionalism in all aspects of technical work, from crown to bridge work. The colour, the shape, the form, the fit, everything's precise. You start off with the prepping stage. They come and fetch the work, from crown to bridge work to implant work. They give you a call if there's any issues. They discuss with you problems that might exist or might not exist and how you can go about resolving them. They deliver the work superbly and on time, and if there's anything I have qualms about, I can't even think about. That's how good they are. I've been using them for the past 5 years, and I highly recommend them to any other dental professional out there.
Michael and Biterite that I've been working with now for the past 5 years, I've been very happy with the quality of work. I've had many laboratories throughout my career, and I can honestly say that I'm really happy to have teamed up with Michael to be providing the work for my patients. You know, some of the examples of why I'm so happy are obviously the high quality, fast turnaround when I need it, so I know he's dependable. Custom shadings in the laboratory or in the surgery. I do single units to multiple complex full mouth rehabs, implants, etc. And you know, there's no aspect of work that they don't cover. And as I said, you know, I'm always confident that we get the best result that I would expect. So I have no hesitation in recommending Biterite, you know, and Michael and his team highly to my colleagues.
Michael Joseph turned up at my practice a few years ago and had the audacity to offer to do his first item of work for me. And the first item of work he did for me was 4 porcelain veneers. I said to him I thought he was a fool to offer to do it. However, he had shown the dedication, enthusiasm and skill and expertise to create a marvellous result. And as a result of which, I've used him ever since, because he showed himself and proved himself to be a reliable and hard-working and valuable asset to my practice. And as a result of which, we do all sorts of dental work with him, including restoration of dental implants, simple one-unit work, and full mouth rehabilitations and cosmetic smile makeovers.
I was first introduced to Michael and Biterite about 7 years ago, when my girlfriend broke a tooth, and needed to obviously do something quickly for my own good. And I sent in some work for an Emax inlay, and fit straight away perfectly. And since then I haven't looked back. I've kept a good relationship with Biterite. They're the only lab I use for all my work, especially their Emacs work has been fantastic. But what's more impressive is that, you know, anytime there are any minor issues, which is very rarely, they're always happy to help out, always understanding, and they do their best to rectify any issues we have, which happens very rarely. So I'm very pleased with the work, and look forward to a long relationship with them.